The High Court has now extended controversy orders blocking the arrest and prosecution of Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero and Women Representative Rachel Shebesh until February 7th, when further direction will be issued.
Is based on Article.
Justice David Majanja has now consolidated the two applications, which will be heard next month when they'll be required to explain why they should not face their separate charges. The DPP has ordered that Kidero be charged with assaulting Shebesh, who will also face creating disturbance charges following last year's altercation outside City Hall. This morning, Majanja declined to enjoin the Nairobi City County and the Orange Democratic Movement Party in the case, saying the matter is personal.
At the end of the day, the charges preferred against the petitioner and the interested parties are personal in nature, and they deal with criminal liability of the individual. At this stage, the court is not concerned with the political impact of the criminal process, as such arguments are indeed premature. On the whole, I find and hold that the joinder of Nairobi City Council, the Orange Democratic Movement and Coalition of Reforms and Democracy would obscure the real issues in controversy, impose unnecessary costs on the parties, and undermine the objects of Article 159(2) of the Constitution, which requires this court to deal with matters without delay. The result of my finding is that the notice of motion dated 15th January 2014 and the dated 16th January 2014 are dismissed, and there shall be no order as to costs.
CIS Senator James Orengo, who was appearing for ODM, argued that the proceedings have a bearing on the office and the status of the governor, and its outcome would affect the court coalition.
As regards the issues of law and status of the governor, the petitioner himself is the governor and will be in a position to articulate them, if indeed they are the grounds upon which the decision of the DPP is impugned. I therefore find and hold that the Nairobi City County has not established a basis to be joined in these proceedings. As to the issues of the interplay between the county government, national government, and the office of the DPP, the Attorney General, as part of these proceedings, is able to articulate the same should they arise.
I'm Angela Morere for Capital TV.